Hi, I'm Wade, your Get Set Up guide. Websites aren't just for large corporations anymore or people with a programming background. Small business owners like shop owners or photographers can develop their own websites. And in fact, you might even want to develop a website for your local nonprofit organization, your church, or maybe even develop a website to host your own personal blog. The good news is that you don't have to have a background in programming to develop a website, and they're not as expensive as you might think. In this class, we're going to go over the different types of websites, and I'll show you examples of each one of those types so you can get an idea of what they look like. Then we'll walk through the steps involved in creating a website and review some of the top website development software packages that make developing a website so easy. And finally, I'll demo how you actually create and customize a website using one of those software development packages that are available. One recent learner said that after completing the class, he felt comfortable going out and developing his own website. Come join us and learn more about websites, how they are built, and which tools are right for you. I think you'll find out that it's much easier and less expensive than you thought. And plus, you'll meet some other people that are also interested in websites and share ideas with them. So come and join us for the class and become part of our lifelong learning community at Get Set Up.